5, this is the signal frequency. Means it will repeat 5 times once again. And NP line space 0, 1, and 1000. This creates 1000 points between 0 and 1 second to make the wave smooth. And we have the continuous sine wave equation. The sine 2 pi times sine parenthesis 2 pi f signal makes a sine wave, like a smooth up and down wave. Um, Next is to plotting the continuous signal. So we have here the title. This is the plot for our continuous signal generator. And the title is continuous time signal. And subplot ay atin ako ng subplot, which is parang watermark sa ating plot mamaya. And also, meron tayong X and Y label dito. Magpapakita rin mamaya ang plot ng grid and ang legend. And then PLT show dito. Ipapakita niya yung graph mamaya. So, the sampling frequencies, we have Fs high is equals to 50, which means marami siyang snapshots, captures the wave correctly. Fs low is equals to 6, few snapshots, waves look wrong, parang may mag-occur dito ang aliasing. The sample signals naman, we have NP arrange. N high is equals to NP arrange 0, 1, 1. This is the time points for high sampling. The second one, X high, is the values of the wave at these points, and N low and X low is the same but low sampling. Sa next one is the plot sampling comparison. PLT figure size, it means it creates a figure for plotting the sample waves. Next one is itong ating high sampling rate. Dito naman, it draws two plots in one figure. The first plot shows the sampling, and then yung PLT stem shows the discrete points of the wave. The wave looks correct because we took enough samples, gaya ng dito sa taas. Low sampling rate naman, dito we have the stem, ipapakita niya rin yung discrete signals. We have the title, same sa high sampling rate, and then tight layout para magkasya yung ating plot sa isang window, ganyan. And then, PLT show, it displays the figure. So, kapag iraran natin ang code, ito ang lalabas sa kanya. This is the continuous signal. Then, this is the sampling. So, proper sampling with unfifty Hz, no unfacing of word. Ito siya, combination, combination ng discrete and continuous signal. Makikita natin yung points in this case. Ito naman yung under sampling. And ito yung kanilang title, the watermark, the labels. That's all. Thank you.